In this video, you'll learn how to trade using the Binance platform. By the end of this guide, you will be familiar with navigating Binance and executing trades effectively. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Binance website. Once the homepage loads, you will see various options available for trading and account management. Ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions. Next, locate and click on the trade option at the top of the page. This will direct you to the trading interface where you can begin to explore different trading options. Wait a moment for the page to load completely before proceeding. After that, select spot from the trading options available. Spot trading allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly at the current market price. You should now see the spot trading interface appear on your screen once you are in the spot trading section. Find and click on the order book tab. This section provides a live view of current buy and sell orders on the market, enabling you to make informed trading decisions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the information displayed. Following this, navigate to the chart tab. The chart will display price movements and trends over time, allowing you to analyze market behavior. You may need to adjust the time frame of the chart to view different trading periods. Now, click on the Info tab to access additional details related to the selected cryptocurrency. This information can help you understand market dynamics better before executing any trades. Next, select Trading Data to view comprehensive statistics and data related to your trading pair. This data can provide insights into price fluctuations and trading volumes, which are critical for making strategic trading decisions. After that, click on Trading Analysis to access analytical tools that can assist you in evaluating your trading strategies. Utilize these tools to enhance your trading performance. Proceed by clicking on Square to access the Square trading feature, which allows for a more advanced trading approach. Ensure you understand this feature before using it. Now return to the spot option to initiate a standard spot trade. Click on it to be directed back to the spot trading interface where you can execute trades based on your analysis. You will notice multiple options for trading pairs. Select the trading pair you wish to trade, such as BT/USD, to view its current market price and trading options. Next, explore the cross option, which allows you to manage margin trading. This feature can amplify your trading power, but comes with increased risk. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the implications of margin trading. Afterward, click on Isolated to adjust your margin settings for specific trades. This feature allows you to limit the risk to a particular trade rather than your entire account. Now, select Grid to access grid trading options. This automated trading strategy can help you manage trades effectively while minimizing market volatility risks. Proceed to click on Market Buy to purchase cryptocurrencies at the current market price. This option is suitable for immediate trades. If prompted, click on Identity Verification required to complete any necessary account verification. This step is crucial to comply with security regulations and ensure account safety. Next, click on Trading Bots to explore automated trading options. These tools can help you execute trades based on preset strategies without manual intervention. Continue by selecting today's P&L to view your profit and loss for the day. This information is essential for evaluating your trading performance. After that, click on Trade Now to initiate a new trading session. This will redirect you to the trading interface where you can start placing orders. Next, click on Running to view your currently active trades. This section will display all your ongoing trading activities. Then navigate to History to review past trades. This feature allows you to analyze your trading performance over time. Click on Asset to manage your account's assets. Here, you can view your current holdings and their. Next, select P&L analysis to gain insights into your trading results. This analysis can help you refine your trading strategies. Afterward, click on Futures Grid to explore futures trading options. This section provides opportunities for trading contracts based on future price predictions. Next, click on Highlight to view highlighted trading opportunities or important market updates. This can help you stay informed about significant market changes. Now, click on Copy to duplicate successful trading strategies from other traders. This feature can enhance your trading approach by leveraging the expertise of others. Next, select AI to access AI-driven trading tools. These tools can offer advanced insights based on market data and trends. Proceed to click on Copy again to replicate another trader's strategy or settings. Now, click on Demo Trading to practice your trading skills in a risk-free environment. This feature will allow you to experiment. Finally, click on Start Demo Trading to begin your practice session. You will be able to explore the trading interface and test your strategies without using real funds. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.